Here's a video of my Dogman / whale wolf sculpture that I plan to make for Creations Clay in 2021. I'm just going to revolve this, rotate it so you can see all the detail on the sculpture. You can see the mouth and the head. See all the detail there? It's an incredible amount of detail. I had to use dental tools to put the teeth in the mouth. They were so small. But I just wanted you to see all the detail that is on this particular sculpture. And, you know, it's one I'm proud of. It took me a while to make it, but I'm going to make a version for my show, Creations in Clay. But I need to first make the sculpture first, and then I need to figure out how to make it, you know, simple, then anybody can do the same thing that I can do. So I just wanted to show you this sculpture from all angles. And let's rotate it one complete time around. This is made from super sculpey clay. Then I fired it in the oven for about 15 or 20 minutes at 275. It's all been reinforced with wire. So I just want to show you what it does look like. And then I'll get it from the... But that's the sculpture. I plan to make it. I need to figure out how to make the... Once I make the round balls, figure out the sizes for each one, and then how I can make it easy that anybody can copy it. But and then I want to show you all the detail with the teeth. It's an incredible amount of detail. You see that there? See the tongue in the mouth? And then then we'll do like the back of the head. It's pretty cool, all the stuff that I have put on there. I'm going to show you from up above. And it was a pretty elaborate sculpture, but I'm a fan of the Dogman. You know, I know it's a cryptid, but it's a pretty cool cryptid to think that something, if something like that did exist, if it could walk around on two legs like a man, it'd be a pretty incredible animal. And I just want to just show you all the detail. And there it is.